So today in this video we are going to start with representation of organic molecules. Means how do we represent the organic molecule? First is like we can represent by molecular formula. Molecular formula like C4H10, C6H6, and we can say like C4H8. So next type of we call it as a condensed structure formula. Condensed structural formula. So like if we continue with C4H10, we can draw it like CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH3. Next we can write it like expanded structural formula. What is expanded structural formula? Like C H H H C H H C H H C H H H. This is its expanded structural formula. Now fourth is bond line representation. Now bond line representation, every corner we represent is like every corner on every bent, every corner, like this is a corner and every bent corner. Okay, these represents the carbon, this represents carbon. Like if we draw of C4H8 and the alkene is like terminal alkene. Now what is terminal alkene, which is present in the terminal position of the formula? Then we can represent it like this, like C4H6. C4H6 like we can represent it like this, but it is not actually bent, so will represent it like this. Again, both are not wrong. So like some, if we have formula like we took an example, have CH3, CH3, all the four valencies are satisfied with methyl, then we will be writing it condensed structure like this. And if we have CH2 or CH2 cyclic alkane, then it will be represented like this. So this was the how do we represent the organic molecule.